Mabuhay everyone, March is here. Welcome to the channel, and for all of you who are new here, welcome. And today we have another unboxing. It's not your ordinary unboxing video. It did not come from the big brands, but this is a brand called FitVille with the letter F logo that you can find here. So let's open it up. So FitVille is actually being sold in the UK and in the US, and I saw some of their products being sold over at Amazon. So this is the FitVille Rebound. So the FitVille Rebound is one of their few products in their collection since they're not a big company. This is one of their, I think, flagship model, and I already wore this inside here in my studio before doing this unbox to give you a feel of the sneaker, how it feels on foot. And the first thing that I noticed is, of course, the cushion of the sneaker. It is actually called a trunner. That's what they call it in UK. It's a training sneaker, usually a running shoe, but it's a trainer runner, so the trunner. Like I said, the cushion is one of the things that caught my attention. Impact protection, the heel was awesome in this sneaker. And in the forefoot cushion, it has a very nice impact protection and a nice bounce to it. The cushion is made with a dual density foam, and they are calling it FitVille Recovery Core. What's indicated in the website is that you can wear this for an all-day comfort, so your leg wouldn't hurt for a whole day use of the sneaker. And so far so good upon testing it here in my floor. And what I also like about the cushion is it has a slope to it. It's not really flat, so it's really good for walking. Doesn't strain your calf that much, and it's not too slope either. So too slope or too flat is not an ideal sneaker to be worn. You just feel the cushion when you're walking. So that's a nice balance to the cushion of the FitVille Rebound. And as for the upper, it is made out of synthetic materials. I just wish that they use real leather and synthetic leather around the ankle area and some mesh overlays all throughout the sneaker for added comfort and ventilation. And as for the Achilles pillows, there's a little bit for comfort around your ankles and Achilles. It's padded around the ankle collar. And as for the lacing system, very traditional lacing system, traditional thong. And another feature that I like about this is their insole. They have a memory foam insole that comes with this sneaker, which is very nice. It adds extra comfort, especially around the heel. You can really feel the plushness of the insole around the heel for added comfort and whole day wear of the sneaker. So that really complements the cushion of the sneaker with that kind of insole. And another thing that I would like to touch up about the insole of the sneaker, it is really uncaged cushion, so it really has the capacity to compress and expand, unlike with some other sneakers that have nice cushion but they are heavily caged. With this one, even though it's not caged, don't worry about the support. It looks very stable when I was trying to walk around here in my studio. For the outsole of the sneaker, the black part on the outer layer is mainly the outsole of the sneaker. The white part is part of the cushion, and so there's an extra room for expansion for the cushion of the sneaker there. And even this gray area is also cushioned, and the only outsole around the heel is this U-shaped rubber. Very nice way of implementing the outsole with the cushion of the sneaker. Just a little nitpicking on the sneaker. I just wish that they didn't put the word FitVille at the back, since it has the word already around the thong, and there's a logo in the thong and there's a logo at the heel. So maybe minimize that a bit, maybe just retain the ones that are around the heel and the word FitVille here and just a blank one here, or maybe put the FitVille logo at the heel tab where it will look more proportioned. That's just my opinion, a little nitpicking on the sneaker. And as for the sizing of the sneaker, go true to your size. What they sent me is a wide Euro 44.5. I think I can wear a standard version because my foot is regular and standard. So if you're a wide footer, get the wide version. And they are currently on sale right now over at their website. It's around $89 US, so that's around 4,500, not including the shipping. So if you are shopping in Amazon, you can check them out there too, or go ahead in their website. I'll put the link in the description box below. And if you want to try out different kinds of sneakers, not just the big brands, go ahead and try this out. And thank you again, FitVille, for sending this over. I appreciate you guys. And this has been Marches once again. Let me know what you think about the FitVille Rebound. Do you like the design? And are you interested in them? Hit me a comment down below. Thank you again. This has been Marches. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.